Hey everyone, welcome to my tutorial on how to make heart sculptures out of the core from paper towels or toilet paper rolls. Let's jump right on in. You're going to take your core, you're going to flatten it on each side, press down. If you need to flip it over, go ahead and do that so you can get a nice little crease in there. Next, you're going to cut the core into different size strips. Now, if you need help with cutting, please ask an adult for help. And remember, we're going to make them different size shapes. Not shapes, but different size strips. All right. Next, we're going to take the strips and we're going to open it up a little bit. You see the edge right there? You're going to open it up a little bit and you're going to take that crease and invert it. Push that inside. And then you're going to fold it a little bit and press down on the little creases. Don't worry about it if it looks a little wonky, it's all right. Next, you're going to take your whole fingers and mold it around the curves of your finger. And all you're going to do is just press it down. This is going to help shape the top half of your heart. See? All right, now we have a heart. You're going to do that with all your strips. Now, if you notice, I've put some wax paper down to help protect your table. I'm pretty sure your parents will appreciate that. If you don't have wax paper, you can use newspaper. I have a napkin. I am using very simple, basic Liquitex paints. If you have tempera, that's fine. I wouldn't recommend using watercolors because it's going to make that really soggy and break apart your sculpture. I have a napkin to dab any water on it, excess water from my paintbrushes. I have a cup full of water so we can wash our brushes, right? Right. And you're just going to dab it on there if you have any excess water. I'm using primary red to paint the outside of my heart. Now, if you notice it start getting dry, which means you don't have as much paint on your paintbrush, you just pick up some extra paint and paint the outsides. If you want to paint the insides, go for it. You know, I do not stop your creativity. If you want to use other colors, you do not have to stick with red, pink, and white like I'm using. Pick your own colors. If you want to blend the colors, you can do that. You want to make little different designs with your paints, you can do that. Remember, I do not stop your creativity. All right, if you lose the shape of your heart, don't worry about it. You can always reshape it later. You're going to put it off to the side and let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, let's say 5 to 10 minutes passed, right? Right. This is video time. Okay, so you have all your little pieces now. Remember, I said if you lost the shape while painting, you could go ahead and take this time to reshape your hearts. Okay. If you want to make designs, now's the time to go ahead and draw them on there with markers, pencil, paper. Well, not paper, but you get what I'm saying. Now it's time to assemble our sculpture. Now, we have something called gravity, right? So if it falls, don't worry about it. You just pick it up and put it in a different spot. And don't be afraid to play with how you want to make your design look. There you go. This is my heart sculpture. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Okay? Oh, don't forget, take pictures and put it in Google Classroom. Bye.